Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Eager. Eager means strongly wanting to do or have something. For example, the man was eager to please. The man was eager to please. Synonyms: anxious, impatient, waiting with bated breath.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. What is it that makes her so eager to please? Now, repeat after me. What is it that makes her so eager to please? The second exemplar. The Lee Centurion's captain put eager children through their paces at rugby. Now, repeat after me. The Lee Centurion's captain put eager children through their paces at rugby. The third exemplar. Tim sounded eager, and he bounced from his heels to his toes. Now, repeat after me. Tim sounded eager, and he bounced from his heels to his toes.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Every syllable in English must have a vowel sound. Not all syllables have consonants.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.